Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone they are having a beautiful and a relaxing Friday. Hey Betunana Usne, she is glowing inside and outside. She is glowing inside and outside, and I have to give it to you, but I am in love with this version within this era of Usne. Whatever era that she is in, I think this has been her best era that she is within her life. Like you can see that she is so happy. She's flourishing, she is blossoming inside and outside. You can see how her eyes are sparkling, like you can see the sparkle in her eyes. Ubana, she is happy within herself. She's got such inner peace, she's got joy within herself. I don't think I've ever seen Usne this much happy. It's like she appreciates life more, she appreciates her family more, she appreciates being alive. She's so positive in these days. Like she is so positive. I love this era that she is in. Like I love it for her. I love it for her. Like this is when they say when happiness looks good on you. If happiness looks good on you as a person, this would have been describing Usne right now. Happiness is written all over her, and you can see Bana, she is not pretending. Jengoba ahlala asiqelela ubhuti wakhe ukubana siyapretendelana la ekhaya. You can see Bana this time around there is zero pretense. Like she is so happy, she is so happy within herself. She's posting like mostly positive things within herself. She's appreciating Umacele, she's appreciating Utatake, she's appreciating her brothers, she's appreciating her sisters. Like she is posting everyone and showing so much affection towards everyone. She's posting the daughter-in-laws Abotirelo. Like she is so much in love with everyone within her family. It's like when you pray for that family unity, right? And you actually become their unity. Like she's become the unity that you would always want to see within the family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.